Hello Ben, this is Aaron from Boss Motors. I'm making this video especially for you. This is the 2014 Glastron GTX160. The current asking price is $18,999 plus HSC and licensing. As you can see, it comes in very good condition and is very clean. Despite it being a 2014 model, it's been barely used. It is red and white on the outside and has a red and white interior on the inside. It is a special edition. Very clean. Comes with a Yamaha 4-stroke 60 engine. It also comes in addition with the trailer with chrome wheels on it. Same color scheme as the boat. If you'd like to take a closer look at this boat, you can always come into Voss Motors. If you have any further questions, you can contact me at 905-660-2901. My extension is 213. I'd like to thank you for your interest and I hope you have a great day.